Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X7c and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Let's tap. Then let's scroll down to find this phone ringtone section and tap on the first option. As you can see, we can set totally different ringtone for the first SIM card and different for the second one. I'll show you how to do it using the first SIM card. So here we've got pre-installed options from which we can choose. At the bottom we've got the option none, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And on the other hand, here we've got music on device. So if you've got something for example downloaded, then you will be able to set it as a ringtone. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it and you will be able to check whether you like it or not. So alright. So let's pretend I want this water song to be set. So just make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here. So we've got the name of our ringtone, water song, which means that it will be right now used to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.